In today's video, I will show you how to download and install skins for your Minecraft. So first, we need to go to any website to download the skins. I just choose this one. You can find the link in the description. And now, if, for example, I want to install this one, we click on it, and now we need to click on the download button. Now we need to go to our launcher, and here we need to go to the skins tab. As you can see here in the Java version for the launcher, you have this one, skins, and now we'll click on new skin. Here you can choose any name. I will choose new. You can select the wide or slim model, and now we need to select our downloaded file. This is the one. Here, as you can see, this is the skin. We can use any cable we want. I don't want to use a cable right now. Now we click on save and use. This is now the skin I'm using. So let's go to a game and let's see if it's working. And now, as you can see, I have the skin I just installed, so yeah, it's working. That's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.